Hey Chubbies! Welcome to my channel. This is my secondary channel for travel, food, and entertainment. I hope my videos can be your travel recommendation. So sit back, grab your popcorn, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we're continuing our Bali Hotels tour. Now we're at Mandara Toll Road. Bali Mandara Toll Road is the first toll road in Bali and also the first floating toll road in Indonesia. Stretching along 12.7 kilometers above the sea, the highway, which has been awarded to be the most beautiful highway in the world, is somewhat unique because it is the only toll road with bike lanes on the left and right side of the way. Our next hotel is Sofitel Bali Nusa Dua Beach Resort. Quietly located within the enclave of Bali's famous southern peninsula, Sofitel Nusa Dua is a nice 5-star beach resort. This luxury beach resort is located within the exclusive resort area in Nusa Dua, Bali, with stunning sunrise and a pristine beach, which is perfect for morning walks or cycling. The hotel staff's hospitality is great. They take our luggages and stuff so we can check in freely. This foyer is beautified by hanging bells with flowing water as the background. And in front, there's a massive towering wood structure that symbolizes the banyan tree, which is the center of social life in the Balinese village. The lobby reception area is in a different part of the room. There were not so many hotel guests at the time we checked in. This hotel is a French-inspired 5-star luxury beachfront getaway with a tropical garden and elegant modern design. The waiting room is not that big, but it's quite cozy, and we don't need a long time to check in. Since my dad is an Accor Plus member, we got this welcome drink and snacks. We can take a relaxing time here, looking at this beautiful view. By the time we finished, our room is ready. We are accompanied by a lounge attendant to the room, and he presented all the hotel facilities and room amenities. Now let's go to the room. The room type is a luxury room with lagoon view. Even though this hotel is a modern hotel, but the traditional touches are here and there with all the wood hint. Under the luggage compartment, there are drawers and a tray for slippers and shoes polisher cloth. If you slide the door, there are extra pillows, a hanging rack, an ironing board, a bathrobe, a flashlight, an umbrella, and a safe deposit box. On the bar table, there's an electric kettle, bunch of tea packs, coffees, and condiments. Complete teacup, and various glasses. This is an ice bucket. The refrigerator is under the table. The sofa in the corner framed this room beautifully. OMG! They're still using this historical phone! They also provide us this insect repellent cream. The bed is king size and it looks so comfy. Let's see the balcony. There's a towel rack, a rocking chair, a tea table, and a hanging chair. We can see the lagoon and garden from here. There's this table you can use for working, I guess. Besides that, there's a sliding door to the bathroom. Here's the bathtub, another bathrobe, separated toilet room, and again with the overdated phone. On the table, they provide 2 bottles of mineral water, and under it, there's a hair dryer, a trash can, scales, and they give quite complete amenities here. Here's the separated shower, completed with the rain and hand shower. Now let's stroll around. Here's the kids club. Pool is super big because it's connected to every lagoon in the lagoon types of rooms. Good morning! Rise and shine, happy people! These are massage spots if you want to have an outdoor massage. Look at the beach! It's super beautiful. Luckily, it's so quiet, so yeah, it feels so relaxing here. The water is very clear. Some activities we can do here, and we decided to cycle along the hotel path. We also have archery. Besides that, there are also table tennis and tennis court. Our energy drained out, so it's time for our breakfast at Cuisine Restaurant. The restaurant staff greets us at the front door, then accompanies us to the table. There are so many choices of food here. So yeah, it's a great morning buffet spread. the juice bar station the most because we can customize fruits and veggies that we want in our juice. Well, that's all for this video. Please support me by clicking the like and subscribe button. It will help me to grow. Thank you!